Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to give you a tip for if you want to upload images on Google Notebook LM, because sometimes Notebook LM doesn't accept your images. So let's try it on. So I've created new notebook here, and then if I upload image, for instance, I will choose this image. Sometimes Notebook LM doesn't accept it. Just wait for a while, and then it's quite reasonable for Notebook LM not accept this image, because what Notebook LM is based on text, based on words. So if your image doesn't have many words, for me this image is only my random image, my country flag image, like previous one. Which one? This one, this is just random image, and then because it has no text at all or very few text on it, Notebook LM unable to read it. So the solution is, if you insist want to upload that image to your Notebook LM, whatever your case is, what you have to do, you just upload it to Gemini. So I will open new chat on Gemini, and then I upload the particular image. I will upload the same image, and then here the prompt: please describe this image into as detailed as possible in JSON format. It is important for you to make it as JSON format, because JSON and Markdown is the native format for AI. So when I click it, and then the Gemini will describe this image as a JSON. Okay, I think it's enough, but sometimes I need it more detail. So instead of this narrative sentences, make sure AI make more tree on the JSON, and you can iterate by yourself. So, and then after that, you just copy the code, and then or copy the JSON and go back to your Notebook LM, and then click new source by copy text, and then paste on it, insert. So basically the Notebook LM will read that JSON not as image but as something that Notebook LM understand. So later on you could interact with that image. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.